This year, we kick off our second annual Magical Moments Project. This project has and will provide young women the opportunity to attend one of the most important events of their lives, their high school prom. Not only do we need your donations, but we need your time. Are you a hairstylist or own a salon? Are you a professional makeup artist or enjoy doing makeup? Do you want to just volunteer your time? We ask that you start to clean out your closet today. You can make this year's event a success. Do you know of any young ladies that can benefit from this project? If so, then spread the word. This year's event will be held again at GG Strutt, 821 East Broadway in Louisville, Kentucky. Special guest speakers, Miss Kentucky USA, Kia Hampton, Judge Erica Lee Williams, Miss Black Ohio USA, Ashley D. Miller, the ladies from The View from the Ville, Fitness with Michelle Yeager, and Planned Parenthood of Kentucky. Be a fairy godmother. Saturday, March 12, 2011, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Donate today.